What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? How no alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you not feel no pain. And if you are feel any pain at all, remember what you do? Check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Call the doctor if you have the money. If you don't, make somebody bring you over to the doctor. And guys, always I tell you no, please me I beg you no, do some wellness check on a family member because remember, mental health crisis is no joke. So call your friend, check on your friend, call your family, check on your family, call your enemy or check on your enemy if you can call them because remember, mental health crisis is not a joke. It is no joke whatsoever. So remember, check out your friends and family. And guys, pam 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 pada pada padam, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer have a little shiny nose. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, a Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas, my viewers and subscribers and well wishers. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you out there. Guys, hear what me I say. To all of the people that me reach out to, Merry Christmas. And you don't know how it go. To all of the people that me never get to reach out to, still Merry Christmas. Enough respect and you don't know. More days, enough more are come. And remember, the plan for 2026 different, normal. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, make we get into the video. My viewers and subscribers, I've been doing a couple things behind closed door. Meaning I've been reaching out to, in other words, not me, I've been reaching out. People, ladies, have been reaching out to me with telling me thanks for speaking out on the behalf of them who've been going through hell with their husbands and relationships and their immigration status. So thank you. Them thank me for doing all these things and making videos and talking on the behalf of Alicia Kim and trying to those kind of things. However, a few people call me and they leave messages, but this message I really want to share with you all. Listen to what this individual have to say.
Thank you, Rodney's Lifestyle, for reminding me to never give up on my immigration journey. I'm forever grateful to you. I hope that God can continue to bless you and keep you the person who you are, for always motivating people like me and others out there never to give up because God is by our side and God is going to make sure we go through. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Guys, that's the voice note from one of the person that I talk to over the phone sometime daily. Just to try to motivate her, just try to help her, listen. She have a listening ears, which is me. She would call and spend hours on the phone talking, just getting it out. And I listen. And I gather some information from one of my lovely subscribers, send over that information to her, and she reach out to those people. And when she reach out to those people, everything start to, things start to go well. With prayers and everything, things start to go really well. So, guys, that's how it is. So I'm not only making videos and some of you say I'm just doing it for likes and money and all those things. No, I'm doing it because this, what I'm doing is passionate to me. I don't like to see people take advantage of women at all. I don't like see it. In other words, me no like to see no man take advantage of no woman. You're not supposed to do it. And then you turn around one them for give sex. You're not supposed to do it. It's not good. It's not right. It's not safe. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I want to talk. This video, yeah, I say, it's just a video where I hurt my heart. And the video I hurt my heart in a way that's today a Christmas. Yeah? Merry Christmas to everybody. But I've been watching some videos from morning, YouTube from morning. And I see many families, they are family channel. This is not a family channel. The channels, the vlogs are family vlogs. And I see them with their husband, their boyfriend, their mother, their sisters, everybody sitting down, opening presents, doing all these kind of things. But there's one person cannot do that. There's one person who cannot do that. Alicia Kim. She cannot open presents and doing the whole family pictures and the family videos like what everybody else is doing. Why? Why is that? Oh, you know why is that? Because of a ex and the ex cronies. In other words, the ex crows. In other words, the ex drawn crows. In other words, the ex followers. The other word is the ex man crowbaits. She cannot come out and do a Christmas vlog showing her whole entirely family and all those kind of things. She cannot even show off her Christmas present, her daughter. She can't show her daughter because if she ever show a picture of the daughter face, everybody then go take it, turn it, then go put in at this, then go say who baby look like, who for baby, all when none of them never in our Sankey sing. Them a go say who for baby, and them already I say when the baby come out, when the baby born, when the baby should I say, me see people me see baby born with every wish part and body, full of hair. Every part of him body full of hair. Me see that with the two eyes. So sometimes I see people say some things, me really have to wonder what's the plan is. What are you trying to say? Oh yeah, the baby born 3 months ago. So because the baby born 3 months ago, the baby have a who? Remember say Mackie left out of the house 2022, no think me no know. You think me no know say a 2022 in left out of the house, but that's for another video. That is for another video. That other video is coming up. Remember, say it's coming up. So my viewers and subscribers, it's a disgrace, it's a shame to know that she as a Jamaican cannot. Hey, hold on a little bit. Me I go say this where some people now go like it, but my apologies, but I have to put this in there. I have to. You have, hold on a little bit. Before me say it, you see, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to talk about an individual real quick that many of you despise, don't like. But I have to say this because I want to say it just to make a point. You have Chrissy and CMR, who CMR was locked up in jail because the stepdaughter went to the school and tell the school that he allegedly touched her 3 times, and they call in the papa and lock him up. And you have those people can make a family vlog showing the kids' faces and all those kind of things. Nobody's over there making any video of them, even though that is still over their heads. But now you have Alicia Kim cannot make a video, which she can make the video. Let's be honest, she can make a video with her daughter face showing. She can. Yes, she can. However, if she make the video with her daughter face showing, Lord Jesus have mercy, you not go hear the last of it. No, you not go hear the last of it. It not go stop you so. It a go on and on and on and on forever. Because that's what they want. They might go say who the baby look like, who the baby not look like, who for nose the baby have, who for eye the baby have. They might go say everything about that baby, pointing it to Maki. When Maki and Alicia Kim, Alicia call it the wrong way, was out of commission from in 2022, and I go prove it to all of you know. I go prove it to all of you know. You see what me I say? Then you have Lady Keish. Alicia Kim brother come America in the snow. No, not about snow. And the man go out in the snow, play in the snow and get sick, gets cold. And you telling me that Lady Keish make a video about that? Lady Keish make a video say country come foreign and catch a cold. OMG. Is that a video? Should that be a concept of a video? That's what just to show you anything them see, them go make a video, but they're not making a video about the threats that Maki is putting on to Alicia Kim and Alicia Kim's daughter. They're not making videos about those things. Then you go over Ambitious Jackie. She make a video saying that Alicia Kim followers in our comment section. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club. And guys, who know watch this video, if you know reach this far, thumbs up the video. Yeah man, thumbs it up, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and most of all, do not skip the ads. Watch the ads. Because when you watch the ads, you help the channel. Yeah, man. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe. We are wait pan. Because remember, over here, so away it will go down because me not afraid to show the video and talk about the things. Anyway, you have Ambitious Jackie raise hell how the people them over our side and our comment section. And what you expect are going to happen? You think them either go come over there, come sit down and do them going to talk their mind, just like how you attack for your mind. Just like how them attack for your mind. And if listen to me, no, Ambitious Jackie. When you are go a gun war, don't carry a knife or machete, carry a gun too. Because when you go a war, you go a war. It's not a pity party. It's not a pity party. Nobody now go pity you. Because you're not pity Alicia Kim at all. So, my viewers and subscribers, that how me I wonder. That how me I talk about. A Christmas. And the lady can't do a Christmas vlog showing off our daughter, showing off our things, do the things them like other vloggers. Just because of these crowbaits, these crasmites. It is sad that it is December. 6 more days left in the year. And these Krasmite and these blind Bartimos still making videos about this woman. If you notice, nobody is making any videos about CMR and Chrissy. And look what they have done. Look what they have done. They cover it up. Hold on. They cover it up. They cover up the allegation. Allegedly. The wife cover it up allegedly. But you still watching them. But this woman, all this woman do, this woman change his name from Mackie and start to call him another name that signify the love for him. No, see that. But you know, there's one person that I don't know how you sleep at night, Lady Keish, because you have been in the same position. You have been in the same position like Alicia Kim, but you come out worse than Alicia. You didn't come out strong. You didn't come out good. You didn't come out achieving anything. However, Alicia Kim achieved, so that's why you're bleeding, beaching. That's why you're doing what you're doing to Alicia Kim. Ambitious Jackie, you're the same. Vibes with Rosa, you kind of different because you're in and out. You're doing other videos. You're in and out. However, I still have to include you in it because as an alleged battered woman, as an alleged battered woman, you should be more on Alicia Kim's side. But because you may feel that being on the side of Mackie will make you more money, that's what you'll do because you know you're all about your money. I don't really understand where you are going with it. But for 2026, you see, I am asking content creators, be wise. Put it this way. Content creators and viewers and subscribers. We are the content creators. Yeah, we make the videos. The subscribers and the viewers is our boss. May sound rough, but that's how it goes. Without the viewers and the subscribers, our channel ain't nothing. That's the reason why I big up all my viewers and my subscribers. Whether if the viewers is a good viewer or a bad viewer, I respect you. But this is where you comes in. You have the right to watch any content you want to watch. You also have the right and the power to not watch content creators. I cannot tell you what to do. You know what to do. You must know what to do. You know what you want for your entertainment. But let me say this to each and every one of you. If what you want for your entertainment is to watch Mackie bring down a young lady, to watch Mackie chastise a young baby, to watch Mackie talk about voice note, text message that he have in a relationship that he says he was so in love with this woman. How can you be in love with a woman 2018, 2019, 2020, but yet still you have videos, you have voice recording, and you have text message saved from those years? Let's say those years is the best years of the relationship. How and why do you have those information hold on to if you didn't have a plan? That's the question I want you to ask yourself going into 2026. Are you sitting down, putting food, putting money in this man's pocket to be doing this to a young lady who he have sexual encounter with. She cook for him. She wash his clothes. She bring him on trips. She do all kind of things when his job, when he bring her in this country as a husband, his job is to take care of her. That's the law of the land. That's the law. That's his job. And you're telling me that you go sit down and watch this man continuously beat down Alicia Kim going in 2026? Are you saying to me that you are going to sit down and watch Lady Keish, Ambitious Jackie, Vibes with Rosa, Vibes Studio, and Edmund Drankro, Rum Ram, the shit in a plate, the shit in a truck, same place in shit, same place in cook, near man fart. You go watch them chastise her into 2026. Are you telling me that is your plan for a new year? What is your plan for 2026, Lady Keish? What is your plan for 2026, Ambitious Jackie? What is your plan for 2026, Vibes with Rosa? What is your plan for 2026, Slackness Vibes Studio? What is your plan for 2026? Shit in a plate, shit in a truck, broke back, room ram. What is your plan? Is it going in 2026 going to be the same whole content? Then, viewers, are you going to sit down and continue to watch the same? It's the same, same old dirty game. It's the same. Why you messing with Alicia Kim? It's the same old game. Same old game. Them a play. Are you going to allow them to come in your living room when you could be watching something creative, watching something fun? Are you going to sit down watching Rum Ram body shaming people? Are you going to listen to Rum Ram body shaming women? Are you going to continuously sit down watching Rum Ram body shaming women? Body shaming women? You know, that's some of the things that I don't really understand with some of you. Yes, you have your mind, you have your opinion, you can do whatever you feel. But when you see a man is beating down on a woman, chastising a woman, body shaming a woman, not once, not twice, not thrice, thousands and hundreds of times, and you are with that man, it tells a lot. You know when someone call wolf, 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 and there's no wolf? And when they're ready to call wolf, when the real wolf is there, they cannot able to stop the wolf because ain't nobody come to help them. My viewers and subscribers, the other day I make a video and Lady Key said, "Thank you, Rodney, for pushing my channel." Not even that you all cannot do by yourself. When you say, "I am pushing your channel," I'm not pushing your channel. The people who subscribe to your channel, to listen to you all channel, to listen to the mess that you're talking about Alicia Kim, is the one who don't like Alicia Kim. For what? Just because she dated a older man, just because she get out of a relationship that wasn't good, just because the older man Mackie divorce her. It is one of the hey, let me say this to you. It's one of the most non-progressive thing I ever seen happen in the world of relationship. A man divorce a woman and a bunch of women turn on the woman saying that she did him wrong. Up till now, let me say this to you all. And up till now, Maki cannot tell you how much money Alicia Kim take from him. Any of you realize that? He cannot tell you how much money Alicia Kim take from him, Maki. He cannot tell you. All he's telling you is he buy this, he buy this, he buy this. But yet still, he can tell you that he took $14,500 from Alicia Kim. You see, you all see the difference? Which one are you out there? Which one are you out there have $14,500 in your pocket today, right now? See what I'm saying? Do you all see what I'm saying? Not a lot of you. How much of you can go into a account of your husband or of your wife and take out $14,500 and she or he don't say nothing? Because remember, Alicia Kim didn't say nothing about it. Remember, Maki was the one who told us about that money, not Alicia Kim. So what are you all saying? What's the plan? Is the plan is to just beat her down through 2026 too? Maki said pressure go bust pipe and he have more coming. But you know what? I wish, I really wish Alicia Kim would get very serious about some lawyer work because there's threats in his videos. And Maki, remember, you are criminalizing yourself on YouTube. Just remember that. Just remember that. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know. A Merry Christmas and videos them coming. I go today we are going to one of Eunice's son house to eat and chat, and I may do a video. It will be a vlog. I may post it. I may not. If I post it, but on the behalf of myself and I, Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV, stay tuned for more videos. And guys, I have some surprise coming up. I won't say nothing about it right now. But until then, stay blessed. I'm out.